Did you know you can sell a rental property, skip the capital gains tax, and upgrade to a better investment, all in one move? That's the power of a 1031 exchange. And if you own property in 2025, you should be paying attention. Because when it's done right, a 1031 exchange can completely change your portfolio and your long-term returns. Say you've got a rental that's appreciated. You've built up equity. But if you sell, the IRS shows up. Capital gains tax, depreciation recapture, thousands gone. With a 1031 exchange, you defer all of that by reinvesting the proceeds into another like-kind property. Your tax bill disappears, and your equity keeps working. We've helped investors go from single-family homes to multi-family buildings, from underperforming assets to high cash flow rentals. No taxes, no setbacks, just growth. Here's the process. First, you sell your current property. The funds go to a qualified intermediary, not your bank account. If you touch the money, the deal's dead. You have 45 days to identify a replacement property. That's a hard deadline. If you miss it, the exchange fails and the tax bill shows up. Then you have 180 days total to close on the new property. That's 6 months to go from sale to reinvestment. No extensions, no resets. We had one investor try to handle the timing on his own. He found a buyer, closed the sale, then scrambled to find a replacement. He missed the 45-day deadline and got hit with a $40,000 tax bill. Now he works with Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. We keep his deals on schedule, help analyze replacements, and make sure everything moves fast. But it's not just about deferring taxes. It's about trading up. Better location, better property, better tenants, more cash flow. Maybe your current property is in a declining neighborhood. Maybe the repairs keep stacking up. Maybe the rent isn't rising. A 1031 lets you get out without getting taxed. You're not just holding on to old investments. You're repositioning your money into smarter ones. That's the real goal. And you can do this over and over. One exchange rolls into the next. Portfolio grows. Equity builds. No taxes owed. But to pull it off, you need a team. You need someone who knows the Kansas City market, who keeps the timeline tight, and who knows how to stabilize your new property fast. That's where Alpine comes in. We don't just manage the new property, we help you find it. We assess the deal, coordinate inspections, and get it rent-ready without delay. We had an investor from California who swapped a stagnant triplex into a rehabbed duplex in Kansas City. Higher rent, lower expenses, tenant already in place. He never even stepped foot in the new unit. We handled everything. Now his returns are up and he's not managing anything himself. That's how passive income and smart reinvestment work together. The right move, the right market, the right management. So if you're thinking about doing a 1031 this year, start planning now. Don't wait until your property is under contract. Don't wait until you've already closed. Talk to your CPA, talk to your intermediary, and talk to Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. We'll help you make the switch clean and smooth. 45 days to identify, 180 to close. No extensions, no forgiveness. But if you do it right, no taxes and no regrets. Now, if the property you've got isn't worth reinvesting, too far gone, too much work, too much stress, here's your option. We buy houses. Any condition, vacant or occupied, code violations, major repairs, inherited messes. We'll make a fair cash offer and close fast. No agents, no fees, just results. Like this video, subscribe and drop a comment. What would you trade your current property for if you could? Let's talk strategy.